Hi students, today we are going to discuss about mole. The term mole. What is that mole? Have you heard that word mole? Mole is a counting unit for chemist. Especially chemists use that word mole. It is a unit, counting unit. For example, if you want to purchase rice and mustard and cooking oil, isn't it? How do you ask to shopkeeper? You have to ask like that 1 kg of rice, isn't it? Here the kg refers as unit. Like that 100 grams of mustard. Here what is the unit? Gram is a unit. 200 ml of cooking oil. Here what is the unit? Milliliter. Ml. Like that, chemists prepare the solution by using the unit mole. Chemists prepare 1 molar solution, 2 molar solution, 1 mole of substance. Like that, unit is used by chemist. Okay. So the meaning of mole in Latin language is heap or pile. Heap, the meaning of heap is lot of, number of. Okay, so here it refers as lot of substance, number of substance. Okay, so mole is a unit, it is used by chemists, so it refers as number of, lot of substance. So mole expressed in two ways, by number and by mass. Okay, so we can explain the mole by two ways, by the number and mass. Let us see one by one. First one, number. One pair. Students, what is the one pair? A pair of substance contain how many number of things? A pair contain how many numbers of things? 2, isn't it? Here I denote that pair of gloves. It contains 2 gloves. Like that, 1 dozen. 1 dozen mean what? How many number of things it contains? It contains 12 number of things, isn't it? 1 dozen of eggs. Here it denote 12 number of eggs. Like that, mole is also expressed by its number. So 1 mole of substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 in number of substance. So imagine the 10 power 23, how much its value. So 1 mole of substance is equal to, contains how many number of substance? So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 in number. That amount of substance it contains. That mole, it referred as the tiny particle. It is suitable for the tiny particle like atoms and molecules. So we can use this mole unit for atoms and molecules. Okay, so chemists use that word mole for calculating number of atoms present in it and number of molecules present in it. Okay, so 1 mole. Let us see what is 1 mole. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of substance, isn't it? So here it may be atoms or molecule. If atom means 1 mole of atom contains how many number of atoms? 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. If 1 mole molecules contain how many molecules? For example, here 1 mole of water molecule contains how many number of water molecules? 6.022 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of water molecules. How much amount of water molecule present in 1 mole? Okay. So like that, 1 mole of atom. 1 mole of carbon atom contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. So 1 mole of carbon refers to this value of carbon atom. That much amount of carbon present in 1 mole of atom. Okay. So this value 6.022 into 10 power 23 is known as Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. The word Avogadro is a scientist name. By honoring that scientist, we give the name for this value. Okay. Avogadro is a scientist name. So this is known as, this value is known as Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. So let us say 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number of substances. Okay, it is also correct, isn't it? 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number of substance. In previous slide, we have discussed 1 mole contain how much number of substance. In here, we have to discuss that how much gram present in 1 mole. Okay, so I already told mole can be explained by numbers as well as the mass. Here, I will explain that mole with mass. Okay, so how much amount, how much gram present in 1 mole, that is the define. Okay. So 1 mole of any particles is equal to relative mass in terms of grams. What is that relative mass? We have already seen that a relative mass is the mass of an atom we compare with carbon 12 isotopes, isn't it? So any 1 mole of substance is equal to grams relative mass. That means relative mass is expressed in grams. How much gram of substance present in it? Okay. So here the particle is referred as atom or molecule. If 1 mole of atom, so the definition is 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass of an atom in grams. What is the atomic mass, students? We know that each atom has own mass, that is known as the atomic mass. For example, what is the mass of hydrogen? We are already seeing that in previous classes. So the mass of one hydrogen atom is equal to 1 U, isn't it? What is the mass of oxygen atom? The mass of oxygen atom is 16 U. What is the mass of nitrogen atom, students? 14 U, isn't it? So each atom has the mass that is known as the atomic mass. Okay, so 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass of an atom in grams. So we are expressed the mass by the unit U, isn't it? But here we express the atomic mass by the unit of gram. Okay, for example, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram. 1 mole of nitrogen atom. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? I already told, 14 U, isn't it? Here instead of that U, we used that G. So that 14 grams. So 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to 14 grams. Okay. Like that 1 mole of molecules. See that second one, 1 mole of molecules is equal to molecular mass of an atom in grams. What is the molecular mass? The molecular mass is the mass of molecule. We know that how do molecule is made up of. Molecule is made up of atoms, isn't it? A group of atom known as molecule. So sum of all the atomic masses in the molecule. So we can get the molecule mass. So what is the molecular mass? Sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. So the total mass is known as the molecular mass. We express the molecular mass in grams. So that amount, that gram of substance present in 1 mole of molecule. See that picture, 1 mole is equal to mass of the particles in grams. Okay. So we can use the word molar mass, gram atomic mass, also this concept. Molar mass, gram atomic mass is also similar. Okay, so that other names of this mole. Okay, the next example. See the example, atoms. 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass of an atom in grams, isn't it? Let's calculate 1 mole of hydrogen atoms contain how much gram? We know that atomic mass. We record this atomic mass. We know that what is the atomic mass for hydrogen? 1 U. So 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass. Here this is the atomic mass of hydrogen, but it expressed in what? In grams. Instead of that U, we mention that grams. Okay, so 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram. Okay, and next like that, 1 mole of carbon atoms contain how much gram of substance? We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12U, isn't it? Atomic mass is 12U. We know that 1 mole of atoms is equal to atomic mass in grams. So we mention 12 grams. Okay. And next, if molecule, 1 mole of molecule contain how much gram? 1 mole of molecules contain molecular mass in terms of grams. Okay, so sorry students, here I mentioned an atom, it is wrong. Molecular mass of an molecules. Okay, so instead of that atom, molecules. Okay, so 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass of molecule in grams. So we know that how to calculate the molecular mass. So here the question is, 1 mole of H2O is equal to how much? First we have to calculate the molecular mass. How do we calculate the molecular mass? Sum of all the atomic masses present in a molecule. So here what are the atoms present in it? Hydrogen and oxygen. So first we have to calculate the mass of 2 hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 2 into 1. 1 is the mass of hydrogen. So 2U. Like that, mass of oxygen. What is that? Here only 1 oxygen is there. Mass of oxygen is 16. So 1 into 16 is equal to 16U. And total mass, that means molecular mass. We sum the mass of hydrogen and mass of oxygen. We get 18U, isn't it? that 18U is known as molecular mass. Okay. So 1 mole of molecules is equal to molecular mass of an molecule in grams. So here we mentioned that molecular mass in U. Here in moles we expressed by that grams. So 1 mole of H2O contain 18 grams of H2O. Okay. So let me relate that number and mass. We know that mole is a unit. So mole can be expressed in the two ways. One is the number and by mass. So 1 mole is equal to how much number? Avogadro number. What is the value of Avogadro value? What is that Avogadro value? 6.022 into 10 power 23. That 1 mole is equal to how much mass? It equal to that gram of relative mass of substance. Okay. So see that in your book you may see that picture. 1 mole of any substance, atoms or molecule, contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of particles. Like that, it contains how much grams? Relative mass of those particles in grams. Okay. So let me see the example. Atoms. First case, we use that atoms. So we relate number and mass in moles. Okay. So 1 mole of, here we taken that carbon atom. 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to how much number of atoms? 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to 6.002 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon. How much mass of that 1 mole? It contains 12 grams of carbon atoms. Okay. So this mass is the atomic mass of carbon. It expressed in G, grams. Okay. Like that molecule. Let me take here as a water molecule. 1 mole of water molecule contain how much amount of substance? How much number of substance? 6.002 into 10 power 23 number of water molecules. So 1 mole of water contain these number of water molecule. And how much grams it contain? It contains 18 gram of water. Here 18 refers to that molecular mass of water. How do we calculate the molecular mass? We sum of atoms present in a molecule. So water means H2O, hydrogen, and we add the atomic mass of hydrogen and oxygen, we get the molecular mass. That molecular mass, it expressed in grams here. Okay.